Understanding Tabletop RPGs, a fun journey into role-playing games. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the fascinating world of tabletop RPGs. Whether you're a language learner or just curious about this popular hobby, you're in for an exciting journey. So, let's dive into the realm of imagination and learning. Tabletop RPG, short for tabletop role-playing game, is a form of game where players assume the roles of characters in a fictional setting. These games are usually conducted in a group setting, with one person acting as the game master, GM. The GM narrates the story and sets the rules, while players interact within the game's world, making choices that affect the direction and outcome of the story. Unlike video games, tabletop RPGs rely heavily on imagination and verbal communication. A typical tabletop RPG involves several key elements. Characters. Players create their characters based on specific rules, defining their abilities, strengths, and weaknesses. Setting. This is the world where the story takes place. It can be anything from a medieval fantasy world to a futuristic space setting. Game Master. The GM is the storyteller and referee. They describe the environment, control non-player characters, and adjudicate the rules. Dice. Dice, often many-sided, are used to determine the outcomes of the player's actions. Tabletop RPGs offer numerous benefits. Creativity and imagination. Players are encouraged to think creatively and imagine vivid worlds and characters. Social interaction. These games are social by nature, helping players improve communication and teamwork skills. Problem solving. Players often face challenges that require strategic thinking and problem-solving abilities. Language skills. For English learners, RPGs provide an engaging way to practice speaking, listening, and storytelling in English. I hope this video has sparked your interest in tabletop RPGs. They're not just games. They're gateways to exciting worlds and stories, offering a fun and interactive way to improve your English language skills. So gather some friends, pick up some dice, and start your adventure. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video.